The Cooluli Classic 4-liter mini fridge is a convenient and lightweight portable cooler and warmer. It uses green EcoMax technology to be energy efficient and ultra quiet without the use of any chemicals or gases. Use it anywhere to keep items cool or warm, such as food, drinks, snacks, beauty products, and more. Featuring a self-locking magnetic door handle, removable shelf and door pocket, comfortable carry handle, and easy-to-use controls. Its stylish design is perfect anywhere in your home, office, or on the go. Plug it into the wall for continuous power, into your car's DC adapter when you're on the road, or use our exclusive USB power cable to plug into your power brick and take it with you wherever you need to be. Keep your essentials cool or warm at home or on the go with the versatile Cooluli Classic Thermoelectric Mini Fridge.
The AstroAI 4-liter mini fridge is the perfect compact fridge to keep your belongings cool or warm. This fridge is designed to store everything from drinks and snacks to medicine or skincare products, making it convenient for whatever you put in your personal stash. It might be small on the outside, but it impressively stores up to 6 12-ounce soda cans, ensuring you'll always have a cool drink within arm's reach. The removable shelf is perfect for organizing moistures, creams, and masks, so everything is chilled for your routine. With 2 ways to plug in your mini fridge, it's perfect to use in the car on road trips or at your office cubicle. Its eco-friendly engineering is free and works so quietly you'll hardly notice it. The cool to warm technology not only cools down to 32 degrees, but also warms up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. A built-in handle makes it easier to bring your mini fridge anywhere, to keep you going on all of life's adventures.